this is your typical class 32 situation. And what do we do with that?
If I remember correctly, which you know I always do, it would be ignore villain until threat occurs.
Yep, very good. So, what do we do now?
Make a grand entrance. It's all about presentation.
I told you, you have to hook up with only a run to the bus core generator, otherwise it won't work.
But then it looks less cool.
It won't be cool if it doesn't work. Oh no, look! Heroes!
That's a pretty cool thingy you got there. What's it do?
Well, this here is gonna freeze time if you let me.
If it'll ever work.
Well,
Yeah, it's pretty dysfunctional most times, but I think we can get it to work eventually. And then you'll be frozen forever.
Really?
Puny little nothings.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh! What is it doing?
What is that horrible device?
I don't know.
Well, the cylinder here is moving these wooden mallets, creating sound on the drum there, which will be able to interact with my evil device and freeze time.
Really?
Oh no! Time is slowing down!
Get out of the way, Hits. This is out of your league. I'll handle this.
This is gonna take a while.
Breaking news! Villain Man has frozen DI Man and himself. Now who will protect our city of DI-Copolis? Hopefully the hits can stop Villain Man before he does something diabolical. What will Villain Man do and where will he strike next?
Well, it's a good thing time is normal here. We have to save DI Man.
How? We don't even know what happened.
Actually, we do. The device you tripped over created a range of sound waves at just the right frequency and amplitude. That interacted with the device the supervillains had and caused time to slow down.
But we saw the sound waves.
Yeah, that's called cymatics, the visible display of sound waves. And technically, sound doesn't move in waves, more like in bubbles.
Oh, I have an idea. Why don't we make another machine that makes sound to stop the other machine?
Let's make an incredible sound machine. We can cause photons to hit a photoresistor, thereby changing the resistance in a voltage divider that outputs a frequency based on the measured voltage.
Huh?
Basically, light levels on the sensor cause the frequency to change. See? If we connect this to this.
Oh yeah, and if we connect this to this, we can definitely stop the evil man. Let's go save DI Man.
I'll get you, evil man.
Wow. Time is really slow here.
Yeah, we should do something about that. Time is getting slower and slower.
This sound machine should fix that. It's working!
Great job, guys.
Thanks.
You're ready for the big leagues.
Yes, we are.
Villain Man, you're under arrest.
Drats! And if it wasn't for you hits and your incredible sound machine, I would have frozen time.
That only occurred because she is a klutz.
Excuse me, I have the power of nature not walking.
Hey, what are you doing here? You're just forgetting the audience's imagination.
Yeah, get back to your job. We are busy arresting this very evil man here.
Oh, you're getting arrested too.
But I don't look good in orange!
Evil always looks good in orange.
Thanks to the daring efforts of the hits, our city is safe once more. Well, I know we'll all sleep better knowing that they'll be out there protecting us from evil next
Time.